Few challenges in marriage are as devastating as the discovery of a long-term affair. Unlike a fleeting indiscretion, a prolonged betrayal involves sustained deceit that erodes trust and redefines the very foundation of the relationship. For those grappling with this harsh reality, the burning question arises: can a marriage survive such a profound breach of trust? Statistics suggest that infidelity is more common than many people think. Studies indicate that approximately 20% of married individuals in the United States admit to having an affair at some point, with long-term affairs often making up a significant portion of these betrayals. While nearly 50% of marriages affected by infidelity end in divorce, the other half find ways to endure and, in some cases, rebuild. But what determines whether a marriage survives, and for how long? The truth lies in a mix of factors: the willingness of both partners to rebuild trust, the depth of the emotional connection before the affair, and the strategies they use to navigate the healing process. For some couples, the journey may lead to a stronger bond rooted in vulnerability and forgiveness. For others, the pain may prove insurmountable. The road ahead is never easy, but understanding the dynamics of recovery is the first step toward answering the question: how long can a marriage survive a long-term affair? The emotional impact of a long-term affair is profound, often leaving the betrayed partner questioning their self-worth, the authenticity of their marriage, and their ability to trust again. For the unfaithful partner, the affair may also carry layers of guilt, regret, or unresolved feelings. Both partners must confront these emotions head-on to even begin the process of healing. Healing after infidelity requires a deliberate commitment to transparency, communication, and emotional growth. It often begins with the unfaithful partner taking full accountability for their actions, a necessary step in rebuilding trust. This includes answering difficult questions with honesty and demonstrating a clear, ongoing effort to prioritize the marriage over any outside distractions. For many couples, professional help can serve as a critical turning point. Therapists provide a neutral space to explore the roots of the affair, address unresolved conflicts, and rebuild the emotional intimacy that may have been lacking. Therapy can also help couples develop practical strategies for navigating the fallout of infidelity, including managing triggers, improving communication, and setting boundaries that protect the relationship moving forward. Understanding the broader context of infidelity is also key to recovery. Affairs often stem from unmet needs, personal insecurities, or a breakdown in communication. By exploring the motivations and vulnerabilities that led to the affair, couples can work toward creating a stronger, more connected partnership. However, this process is not without challenges. Rebuilding a marriage after such a betrayal requires immense effort, patience, and a willingness to embrace uncomfortable truths about both the relationship and oneself. The timeline for recovery varies greatly between couples, depending on the unique circumstances and willingness to address the underlying issues. Some marriages begin to stabilize within a year, while others may take several years of consistent effort to rebuild trust and intimacy. Factors such as the duration and nature of the affair, the couple's pre-existing relationship dynamics, and their support systems all play crucial roles in determining the outcome. Another significant aspect of recovery is managing external influences, such as the reactions of friends and family. The discovery of a long-term affair often sends shockwaves through a couple's social circle, sometimes leading to unsolicited advice or judgments. Couples need to set boundaries with well-meaning loved ones to ensure that their healing process remains focused and uninterrupted by outside opinions. Choosing who to confide in can make a big difference in maintaining privacy and stability. For the unfaithful partner, severing ties with the affair partner is essential for recovery. This includes cutting off all forms of communication, blocking contact on social media, and avoiding places where interactions could occur. Transparency in actions and intentions helps rebuild trust, as does demonstrating consistent reliability over time. For the betrayed partner, rebuilding self-esteem and finding a sense of independence within the marriage are crucial steps. Journaling, individual therapy, and reconnecting with personal passions can provide a sense of empowerment and clarity. It's equally important for the betrayed partner to voice their concerns and set boundaries without fear of judgment or invalidation. Ultimately, whether a marriage survives a long-term affair depends on the unique dynamics between the partners and their ability to navigate the recovery process together. Some marriages emerge stronger, having faced the greatest challenge and come out on the other side with deeper emotional intimacy and mutual respect. Others may reach a mutual decision to part ways, recognizing that healing and happiness might be better pursued separately. Either outcome requires courage, self-awareness, and a commitment to moving forward with integrity and purpose. For those who choose to stay, the journey often leads to a redefined relationship, one that is built on hard-earned trust and a renewed commitment to growth. By embracing the lessons learned from this difficult chapter, couples can create a partnership that is more authentic and resilient than ever before.